So remember a year ago when I said that Androids were trying to be iPhones and said I was officially done with Android? Well, because of everything that's been going on and then 1 year later, it is kind of sick seeing what they're doing. And I'm kind of like, can this be the iPhone? Like, can Apple please make something like that? And is it too much to ask for? Yo, what is up, everybody? Michael here. Welcome back to Technoid, the show that gives you all the news while keeping it 100% real. Welcome back, everybody, and happy freaking Thursday! Yeah, there's nothing special about Thursday, but welcome back. And today we've got a couple of things to talk about, and oh boy, one of them is very, very interesting. So, story number one of the day is going to T-Mobile. So for a while now, T-Mobile has been trying to merge with Sprint, but also revolutionizing everything. And I was kind of shocked about this because I already knew they were working on this since 2017, I believe they've been working on this. Well, today they have finally announced their plan to uncarrier the supposed TV cable service with their T-Vision. So after acquiring Layer 3, they have revitalized it and called it T-Vision. Basically, it'll work like something like this. It'll access your Wi-Fi using a set-top box, and it'll stream from the box, give you all the channels and BS you don't want, supposedly, and will also be able to stream across multiple different TVs. Now, it is coming out in a few days, rolling out in a couple of cities, including New York, and it is said to be priced at $90 to $100. Now, on paper, that doesn't look too bad, because if you think about it, it includes some top-end channels like HBO, Discovery, I don't know how that's a top-end, but still, HBO, Sports, ESPN, things like that. But then you dive a little deeper, and then they start talking about including $10 a TV. $10 a TV. Damn. Now, there are some benefits to it. You can use this streaming service on your phone if you're a T-Mobile customer. And there are some more benefits if you are a T-Mobile customer, because they probably will feature a way to group your phone and TV, and soon probably internet they'll come out with. But everyone is kind of saying that it's not competing and it's not going to be able to break the TV things. Don't say that right away, because if you guys know anything about T-Mobile, anytime they do something happens in the market. Now, I'm not saying that this will right away be a 100% success. However, if you look at what they do, unlimited data for everything, one solid low price, and the fact that the market always tries to do what T-Mobile does, especially with that goddamn John Legend, who is the best CEO to date, who, and I think, in my opinion, is, because anything he does, everybody does. So, all I'm going to say is this. Give it a little time, and maybe it'll be a success. So that's story number one. Next up, we are going to talk about the Samsung A80. Now, I haven't covered much of this phone. Matter of fact, I haven't talked about it because it was a mid-end phone, and I never thought anything of it. But when I saw it, I was like, God damn! The A90 is a pop-up triple camera for the front and the rear. It is pretty much everything I would have wanted in a pop-up phone. Now, the phone is a mid-level phone, and it is cheaper. I wish that this phone would be the Galaxy S10 because it has no bezels. Although it does have a small, tiny chin, it still, however, has a nice full display. There's no punch hole, there's no notch, there's no top notch, no notch at all. There's just a little baby chin, but that's about it. And the cool thing is, this phone is pretty freaking awesome. Now, I know I said in the beginning I wish the iPhone would do that, but honestly, like, guys, you guys are seeing what I'm seeing. This honestly makes you jealous. These are the things that make you want to switch to get a new phone. Gives you that cool feeling. Like when you owned the first iPhone or a couple of other iPhones, you always had that cool impact. Like, yeah, I was badass. Not everybody owns it. But imagine being able to own a phone that pops up or a phone that's fully bezel-less. Like, that gives you the cool factor. And these are things that will make you want to switch. And the best part of all is this is in the $700 range, so it's not that far off. So, hell, I may pick that up instead of the Galaxy. I don't even know, man. But that is story number 2. The A80 looks pretty freaking sick. If you haven't seen it already, I advise you guys to go check it out because it honestly is a badass phone. And finally, last story of the day, and I literally forgot what the last story was. Story number 3 is pretty much nothing big, but it is something you guys may want to consider, YouTube TV. So that is another streaming device that is supposedly another cable free. Well, it is going up by $10 from $39 to $49, so that's $50 a month. And if you use Apple Pay, $54. However, they are adding some new channels in that as well. I don't know why I'm covering this, but I thought I would throw it in there because there are some of you that do use YouTube TV, and if you use YouTube TV, just know that you're going to be paying $10 more. That's about it. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'm a little out there because I just wanted to kind of have a little fun with this episode, and I thought it was pretty cool to show you guys the A90 smartphone. That's pretty much it. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you guys, everybody, for subscribing. We are literally close to 400 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace.